Hey everyone, in today's video we're finally giving this Swift headlights the glow up we desperately need. We got everything ready here. We got sandpapers from 400, we got 600, we got the 1000, and all the way to the Barry Smooth 2000 grid. And also we have this Scott multi-purpose tissue rolls, the spray bottles over here, and we also have the headlights restoration spray, masking tape of course, and the most essential tools in my garage is that mosquito coils over here, because I swear these aren't mosquito anymore, they are flying zombies. Take a look at this. Yep, the headlights are turning yellow like a forgotten Tupperware. So the mission is very simple. Just get rid of the haze and make them look as close to brand new as possible. Now before we get to the sanding part, let's tape the surrounding body panels. Trust me, you do not want to sand your paint by accident. It's always good practice, even if you are in a rush or being eaten alive by the flying zombies. Starting with the 400 grit, we're gonna work our way up gradually. So each stage, get rid of the previous layers, scratches, and that nasty yellow layers. Take your time, stay even, and don't forget to keep the surface wet. Check this out, we are already getting results. A lot of the yellow gunk is gone, the lens is looking clearer already. Alright, now we're preparing for the fun part, which is coating. Before that, grab a plastic sheet or some newspaper and mess up the area even more. You don't want to overspray, messing up the old car paint. And don't forget to wipe everything down with alcohol. Wipe you can find those at any nearby shop. Check the can real good. Give it a solid about 30 seconds. Make sure the weather's on your side. There's no rain, there's no heavy wind. This stuff needs time to dry and you don't want dust or rain ruining your finish. The first coat is done, looking slick. Now we repeat the whole process for the other headlights. Sand it down, clean it up, coat it nice, and voila! Would you look at that? From foggy and tired to fresh and clean, these headlights are seriously glowing now. I didn't expect it to turn out this nice, but wow, what a difference. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the transformation, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more Suzuki Swift content, and maybe drop a comment if you've been putting up your own headlight restoration. Don't worry, you're not alone. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.